The meninges are 3 layers of tissues that separate nervous tissue from the overlying or surrounding bone. Keep in mind, the brain is encompassed by the skull, and the spinal cord is surrounded by the vertebral canal, or I should say the spinal cord runs through the vertebral canal, which completely encircles the spinal cord. So what we see in this depiction, I realize it looks like a cheeseburger, but what I have here in yellow is the cerebral cortex. At the top is representing the skull, and in between the skull and the cerebral cortex, we find the meninges. And the order of the meninges are as follows. The outermost layer is a very tough, dense, irregular connective tissue known as the dura mater. Underneath that is the arachnoid matter, which includes this portion, which is the arachnoid membrane, which is 5 or 6 layers of simple squamous to simple cuboidal cells. And then departing from that, moving towards the nervous tissue, are these collagenous and elastic fibers that make up somewhat of a spider web-like appearance. This space right here is the subarachnoid space. So once again, dura mater, arachnoid matter, subarachnoid space, and then directly on the nervous tissue is the pia mater, which is about a couple layers thick of simple squamous to cuboidal cells. It's extremely delicate. It's running along the contours of the brain or along the spinal cord. If we look at this visual, this is showing the spinal cord. Outermost to innermost, we have the dura mater, the arachnoid matter, and the pia mater. And looking at the skull right here and the brain right here, this would represent dura mater. This is the arachnoid membrane, subarachnoid space, and the pia mater. Above or outside of the dura mater, we have the epidural space, which is filled with connective tissue and adipose tissue and blood vessels. Oftentimes, anesthesia is applied to the epidural space. And right here is the subarachnoid space, which around the brain is occupied by cerebral spinal fluid.